Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to add your phone number to your Instagram profile. Follow these simple steps to update your contact information on the platform. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the Edit Profile option. This will take you to a new page where you can make changes to your profile information. Scroll down until you see the Contact Options section. Tap on this section to expand the options available to you. You will see a phone icon. Tap on this icon to add your phone number to your profile. Enter your phone number into the designated field. Make sure to double-check that the number is correct before proceeding. Once you have entered your number, tap on the check icon located at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. And there you have it. Your phone number is now successfully added to your Instagram profile. This will make it easier for friends and followers to reach out to you. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy Instagramming!